Hi everyone, in this video let's see how to create a conditional sequence on NurtureBox. So right now I'm on my sequencing page on the dashboard. I'm going to click on new sequence. I'm going to use create from scratch since I'm going to make it a manual campaign. I'm going to click on create from scratch. It's going to give me a blank space. I'm just going to create a new sequence. Let's say for account manager. I'm going to name it account manager hiring so that I can use it and launch it later on. So I'm going to click on add action, right? So for conditional sequence, we are going to look at, both email as well as LinkedIn steps. So what I'm going to do here is that I'm going to click on conditions where I can check whether if the candidate's email exists or not. I can also go ahead and directly add an email or LinkedIn step, but since we want to make it, multi-channel configuration, I'm going to click on condition. So this is going to check whether if the candidate has an email or not, and then it's going to show me two options. One is to go with yes, and the other is to go with no. So under yes, I'm going to add a couple of emails. So I'm just saving it as just like that to show you how this works. And under yes, I can also go ahead and add LinkedIn step as well, right? So if I click on LinkedIn Connect, it's gonna check whether if the candidate is accepting your invite or not. So over here it says connection request accepted, request not accepted. So under connection request accepted, I can still choose to go ahead and send an email. I can send a LinkedIn message. It's completely up to me, right? So I can go ahead and save it, can go ahead and add one more LinkedIn message, and the last can be an email as well. LinkedIn doesn't allow you to send messages to candidates who have not accepted your connection request. So the logical next step here would be to either leave it just like that or to send an email. You can see the sequence is smart enough to understand and block out LinkedIn message option. So I'm going to click on email and click on save. So let's say this is my structure when it comes to yes. Under no, when I click on add, it'll automatically remove the email step for me. I can only send like a LinkedIn connection request. I'm gonna click on it, and just like how we saw earlier, it's gonna check whether if the candidate accepts the connection request or not. Under yes, you can go ahead and add a couple of messages. You can keep it three, four, or how much ever you want. Under no, there is no logical step, so you will be able to see all of these options are blocked out for you, right? The best part about it is that you can go ahead and set delays as and how you want. I'm going to keep it no delay for, 1 hour delay for this particular message. I'm going to keep no delay for no, and I can set like let's say 3 days over here. It's completely up to me, right? So you can configure however you want for your campaigns, and you can also go ahead to the settings and you can choose the time zone in which you want to send these mails and messages. You can choose the days you want to reach out to the candidates, and also like what timing that you want to use. Once I click on save, I have my campaign ready. Since I've not added any content to this particular campaign, I'm not able to launch it. But once you have everything set up, you will be able to launch this campaign and start using it. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you.